Hey there, if you're thinking of selling your home, you're probably wondering, what should I expect? Well, let's break it down for you in just a few key steps. First, preparation. This means making sure your home is looking its absolute best. Little fixes, fresh paint, decluttering, this makes a big difference. And don't worry, I got the resources to help you with that. Next, we'll get your home out there. Professional pictures, virtual tours, and targeted online marketing. This is how we get your home noticed by the right buyers. Then once the offer starts rolling in, I'll guide you through negotiations to ensure you get the best price for your home. The market is competitive and you deserve someone who knows how to close a great deal. Finally, closing day. I'll handle the details so you can focus on your next chapter. So if you're ready to sell or know someone who is, let's connect. I am here to make the process as smooth and stress-free as possible. Book an appointment today. I am Esther Anderson, your real estate expert with JPAR, and I got you covered. Bye for now.